This episode of the Sally O'Neill podcast is brought proudly to you by HIVITA. HIVITA has a premium practitioner-grade supplement range I personally use and prescribe to my clients through my official practitioner portal here in Australia, which means that it's been vetted for efficacy too. As a clinical nutritionist, I'm incredibly selective about what I recommend. It can be the difference between me being successful in my job and not. And I really trust HIVITA thanks to its potency, its purity, and its clinical credibility. I love working with single dose herbs rather than using formulations because it means that I can get really granular on dosage for clients and I understand which supplement is specifically supporting them in the way that they need. And because they're not mixed with a potion of other things, it often means that they're more powerful too. Now, my own kitchen shelf is stocked with their saffron for mood and emotional balance, ashwagandha for reducing symptoms of stress, and ginkgo to support my concentration. But their range goes far beyond that, from immunity and sleep and to liver detoxification and digestive health, plus energy and focus. HIVITA has science-backed options to suit all of your wellness needs. They're made with really good therapeutic doses, minimal excipients, and they come in this eco glass packaging, which is so good without the microplastics, no unnecessary fluff going into your body, and you're not going to find them on supermarket shelves. They're now available exclusively online at hivita.com.au. And of course, please always read the label and follow the directions for use. And if symptoms persist, please speak to your health professional.